Modern machines bustle into motion, turning raw ingredients into crispy, delicious noodle snacks. Each batch of noodle snacks is born with an irresistible flavor. Noodle snacks are automatically packaged, then thoroughly checked for quality before being shipped. Noodle snacks are carefully packaged, carrying the flavor of fun and sharing, ready to come to you to experience exciting moments with you. One of the most important steps in that journey is the filling process. The ice cream filling machine plays a role in ensuring accuracy and uniformity for each box of ice cream. The machine operates on the principle of piston pumping, ensuring high accuracy in the filling process. Kurukan can fill many different types of solutions at a fast speed, meeting the diverse production needs of businesses. Imagine the moment you create your own jars of delicious miso, rich in Japanese flavor with a Tokyo miso filling machine. With just a few simple steps, you can easily fill miso into jars quickly. Can you imagine? With just one citrus washing, drying, sorting, and packaging line, 18 tons of fresh fruit can be processed every hour. This number brings great joy. Compact, convenient design, and diverse functions. This is the most worthy machine for any modern family. Have you ever dried dragon fruit at home? Let's watch this video to learn the secret to drying delicious, beautiful dragon fruit. This smart cucumber sorting and packaging solution proves the outstanding development speed of modern food processing technology. The rough brown skin is peeled away, revealing green, round kiwi fruits like Each beautiful white duck egg is neatly arranged in the box, like precious gems hidden in a luxurious box. Are you in a hurry to get to work? Do you need a quick but nutritious breakfast? Salmon flavor has long been a symbol of exquisite cuisine. The sweet, greasy taste and the softness of the fish blend together to create an unforgettable taste experience. Dear friend, are you suffering because your grilled meat is always lacking salt and sugar? Or are you bored because you keep marinating the spices, but the meat still isn't absorbed? Don't worry, your savior has appeared. This chicken mixing and roasting machine has the same structure as a concrete mixer. It works on the principle of continuous rotation, helping the chicken to be mixed evenly. Sausage production machinery with impressive productivity, ranging from 100 kilograms to 500 kilograms per hour, meeting the diverse needs of food processing facilities. Food automation is awesome. I will introduce to you a factory that produces millions of tons of dumplings every day.